yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduke cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibyasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyigo musongo eyerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama wewe mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Nigo cheragire Chinsa Ikomi chabona maragoba Ekeonga senchera yowenga karibu sana. Haba onchirira bakabake koro ase chiro ya daraja 2 omochobo songo county ya Kisii. Abo basirete nibo yabo asomorero obakugwatika weekend ya eta. Ritukore rero nigo bare no mogoko magayo kubwatukira obokonyi koro ase abisi yomo wimerere bwe county ya Kisii omoske donya dori saburi. Ukona chinga kiecho nigo bamentabuna oyega no mochaka no muya ase obonchirira bwabo.
Niaba ya ofisi litangani tukoiraniria serikali enene mbiamono na serikali yaitu asoko konya abantu ebinte biga byachire gaiga chimatres inchire maiga yane gaiga ndagera nerororo kokonya abantu abaiga banyoreto omochando bayire tu onde bwensi uramano kugani go gokonya chi family chiga etukubagani na barabo basoyo koboko mufuko abo abakonye gotiga korigereri kiregento barakora kibara abakonya
mbia mono donya mbia mono sumusaada wakolire mbia mono sibyonse wakolira bali bonse batusirire kurumaega tiganya saba sini nande ganda gutwara moyo oyu egera abantu banenche banyora sibakorara nenche ngento no kurwana sinyomba chiane na bamenyete bone banyora umusaada.
Next time tomonyorete no tomete record abana gwakomunu mbara tokonya kende twarore mungino tokonyire chuma chito nchiajete spana anyanye kunyora makanika na kiregento na abana barengo abari kwende school mambi ebintu bya yete certificate kire gento ndo gwade yanga anyare gutuinyura na gukwana national government banyare gutomu musaada tunyare konyore bintu bitakonya abana banyare kwenda school ne school ya igoiru none chibesa abantu babwati cyagirite nyomba kire gento kyagirite kene kyo kiro montaje rutororo ne yanga yuke yabigete mubere
itwayire tukire gento ntubwati kende gyonsi nono kuragira ni shida aso kurara ni shida abana barensi komba bwati kende abayibuli bakorera bana banya kuri kende abande barayirige sona abande baratese chikanisa abarayi bande bonsisi bale nabaro bayigwibirire ebi banyala kotakonya
Daniel Untiri nagendete okwariganirira roboti oruro chikoko guchira senchira yobwime Chinsa ibere nabo igo Chinsa inyecho butko bwarero abakishikura kore ward ya baschache nigo basabire kurigereria burungi abarayi babono na bali abakubura chikura aso gutanga burayi bobe nabo igo obukurumi bagokwana kuromisesi bo machoge chache county ya Kisii nigo batebire buna burayi obya nigo bokwerera amagendera mangi ko baroro na ekero yatigere makebere erito soe ostagenda sobochori obonne bo mwaka 2027 nigo abantu basabirwe kwa bamaiso
mwara amanyaka moko boli chikura mwara amanya chipaunda licha majoge pasi mazanya wato mondo watanya masebe ngambo nchaliere keminini bochire igona ngakyoja kumaji chipaunda li na wakanyora 2027 yaikire igo
inkamote binjino umwana bumutaka umwana bumuboraka asa onkonyire tindegeti maaki tigamba tebe gintu kirikia mberete injenya sa onkonyete agaja takambikire gali umuriro ongeri by the way amagoso tuakorete etu burayi omufanyi biashara einere mechanda bwate nanda amanyite naki abantu abaje kuja mie bamwakire chikura
Gilbert Kopi nagendete okwariganiria oroboti orurit koria rero muraiwensi ya Kenya Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigo amwarigania Prince Rahim Ali Hussein Aga Khan yo gatano ase nyomba yobore ya State House omoche o Nairobi Aga Khan nigo ayete aiga Kenya igora maragoba asabata ya kwariganiwa no muwaziri omonene omusike Musalia Mudavadi korinde ni taro ya yentangani kegima gocha Kenya na nigo irito bogambi magagaya ise Aga Khan yo kane siria obugima bwaye omutenyi okabere omwako yoiga Aga Khan kokwana kurasi nyomba yobora ya State House nigo airera igati yale babeka okobona bachigosirana ense ya Kenya sibo igumuraiwense abakagotogia efamily yo asari abereke akora mense ya Kenya anemono asensemeria yobocheno nabo igo gosirachise
Through the work of the Aga Khan Development Network, whether in health, education, culture, economic development, or the environment, our aim has always been to improve the quality of life for all, regardless of background or faith. We are proud that our programs and institutions serve millions of Kenyans from all walks of life across the spectrum of human endeavour. In Kenya, we have found a government and a society that have consistently welcomed these efforts and supported them with vision and resolve. The memoranda of understanding we are signing today build upon this rich legacy of engagement. They reflect the depth of the relationship between the Ismaili Imamate and the Republic of Kenya, and they signal a shared ambition to make that relationship even more impactful. Our goal is to work alongside the government as you tackle the emerging challenges of climate change, urban regeneration, and delivery of public services.
Its health facilities receive over 900,000 patient visits every year, providing quality care to families across the nation. With 3 major hospitals and more than 70 health centers, the Aga Khan Development Network has built a healthcare presence that reaches deep into communities, offering maternal and child health services that save countless lives. Beyond treatment, its commitment to higher education and training is equipping our doctors, nurses, and specialists with world-class skills and strengthening Kenya's healthcare workforce. Additionally, I am pleased to note the recent collaboration between the Social Health Authority and the Aga Khan University Hospital to expand access to life-saving kidney transplants and advanced cardiac surgeries. Under this framework, SHA provides financial and welfare support to eligible patients while the university hospital delivers specialized medical care. This ensures that vulnerable Kenyans receive not only surgery, but also pre-operative assessment and post-operative care while being shielded from catastrophic health expenses. In addition, the Aga Khan Foundation has supported nearly 1,000 public schools, benefiting hundreds of thousands of pupils and teachers. Initiatives like Schools 2030, which Kenya co-hosted this year, reaffirm
Ero chiskuru chakire kwigora bene irigo chaka masomo yeta myaga tuto muri kibotambe ase wizara y'ekisemi ambassador Julius Bitoki nigo airere buna wizara y'ekisemi nigo irache kubotoka kisemi chibesa gochia chiskuru gwetania chiri bwemerongene na isano ewiki yeiga ase boigo akwanire gochia gochenja umurobiro nemisi gochia kemis iri kumanya bene umubaro bwa boroki wa ase chiskuru na ase nsemende Bitoki nigo akwanirete asiniga kwanirete umurobiro CBE ase atabira aboro kuwani go barache gosomwa basoye ause baire orosagia rure rwasti.
Already engaged the National Treasury, and we are expecting that before the end of the week, money for capitation will have been sent to our schools. We had a meeting last week with the officials from National Treasury, led by the Minister himself and the PS, and we agreed that the top priority for the government of Kenya this week is to release capitation to our 45,000 schools around the country. We're also working on upgrading NEMIS to KEMIS, and it is work in progress so that we're able to capture real time the number of students per school and also be able to adequately send capitation based on the accurate numbers of students in our schools. Out of the three pathways, STEM, Arts and Social Sciences, and sports, we are saying we are encouraging 60% of our learners to go STEM way. And the government is investing heavily, including the construction of 1,600 labs around the country so that all students who choose STEM at least have a lab in their school.
Wizara y'obochenu insi y'oburayibwaye omuwaziri adendware niwe yachakire omurobiro bwekerero lyokora obotuki na komanya igoro yegati ose igoro y'obokurumi igoro y'egipiro ni wetani Ikomi chiabere chigokurumwa insi y'omurobiro bobo bwenya ocean omuwaziri omoske adendware nigo airere buna chinyagitari angechi misano na ibere merongevere na isano na isatu nigo chiasiekire ase ogotekerania amagania y'omurobiro yoyo ase boigo chinde chimisato neyemo chiabere chigwakwa chiabeire chikonyora ogwakwa ase chinde emerongene na isano chirache kobekwa ase gazeti bene ya serikali kubotikana n'obukurumiri tukure Ijumaa ewike yeyo.
Claims worth 10.6 billion have been rejected due to fraudulent activities and non-compliance. This action is taken under the authority of Section 48(5) of the Social Health Insurance Act 2023, which outlines penalties for providers who knowingly or fraudulently alter information to defraud the authority. The primary function of our digital system is to detect fraud. We have seen that facilities are looking for innovative ways to cheat the system, but our digital architecture is designed to detect and flag anomalies at every stage of the claim process. Hence, you will find the fraud can be detected and stopped at any point. The process of degazetting a further 45 facilities who have been flagged for fraudulent activities and investigations shall be commencing very soon. So before Friday, another 45 facilities will be degazetted. We will not rest until every Kenyan has access to quality, affordable, and dignified healthcare, free from the burden of fraud.
Mwancho murigereria aine gatiari togendete gukwariganiria asenchira yobwekirano achiko gochera nere Haruni ototo nyangiri ibere na boigo inyecho botko bwarera nchenguro wa Catherine Nyabuga Kevin Ongeri nera kwaneke buna chibichana mare ingo ikirachira asenchira yobwekirano twaro borigo borobya.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati aliaye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwa mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyari kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene eduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.